Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are back. We are back. We are back. It's Tony with Tony's Passive Income. And I told you, man, we are on a journey. So, just a quick recap. This is my journey with Watermine, the mining company out of the UK, cryptocurrency. Yeah, cryptocurrency, the wave of the future. If you're not involved with cryptocurrency, you need to take a look at it. I'm not here to tell you what you need to do. I'm not going to be like some of these gurus out here and say, hey, you need to jump and do it. No, what you need to do is do your due diligence. I'm not a financial guru. I'm not a Wall Street expert. I am a guy who literally learned this because somebody took the time out to show me how to do it. And I've taken the time out to start my journey, and I want you to take that journey with me. You know what I'm saying? So, uh, do your due diligence. Check out the company. Some guys and I, um, we have been doing our due diligence with some of these mining companies out here, and we found that a couple are not as good as they claim to be. Watermine so far has been real, real. You know, up to what they said they was going to be. So we're gonna log in real quick because this is let's say I started Monday night. So my first initial show of interest that was gained was Tuesday, and so Monday was day one, Tuesday was day two, Wednesday was day three, Thursday was day four. So we're reporting Thursdays. Uh, we're reporting Thursdays interest rates. And again, once again, put your information in, your passcode, and then you get this code down here. Now, remember, the code changes. So, again, this is like secure to the max. All right. So, again, this is the dashboard. When I first made my initial deposit, I made my initial deposit by clicking on the make the deposit. Over here, you'll see if I click referrals. Now, this is something you don't have to do, but this is where you can share your link if you want to. That's just another way of somebody generating funding for you. As you can see, I have a total of three referrals, one active, and right now, with the one active, the company Watermine, not the person, the company Watermine, uh, issued me 8% of their initial deposit, which was $9.58. So that was added on to my total. All right, so I'm gonna go to my history. As you can see, my earnings are right here. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. So you can see, like right now, I'm up to 1858. So again, my initial deposit was 136. Tuesday I had 299. Wednesday I had 299. Wednesday I also got a $9.58 referral commission, and then Thursday I had another 299 added into my account, which brought me to my total of $18.58. Now I'm truly ahead of my schedule because this would be like $5, these two, and then this would be seven. So I generally be sitting around about $8, $8 or $9, you know. But because I got the referral, I'm able to get up a little more. So I get another $2.99 today, which is Friday. I get another $2.99 Saturday, another $2.99 Sunday. By Monday, we'll start and flip that, and we'll start another contract, a smaller contract. Now, this is where the rolling contracts come in. So by Monday, that's what we'll be doing. And when we do that Monday, guess what? Then now you got another stream of income coming in. So you kind of want to make sure that this is up. The more you invest in your contracts, the more that as you can see right here, total earned is $8.99, which is about what I was thinking. But because I had the referral, it's 1858. So the more you put in, the more you earn. All right. And so, like I said, it's just a matter of understanding these contracts. Now, here's something else that I did learn. The minimum deposit is $10, but let's just say, uh, okay. Now let me backtrack. With my $100 and my $136, let me show you. You can type in here and see how much what you invest and see where you're gonna be at. So this is what I'm supposed to earn a week. All right, $21. I showed you a minute ago. At the end of today, I will be at 21. So I got 2 more days to generate. So I will probably be above my initial goal, which is going to be great. So if we have 18 and we're adding 299 to that, let's just run over here. Let's pull up the trusty calculator. Since we're on, we might as well do it. So let's pop it up. Let's go 18.58, and we're going to add 2.99. There was 21. That's after today. And then tomorrow, we're going to add another 2.99. So we're right at about $25 Saturday. And then Sunday, we're going to add another 2.99. So we're at 27.50. Now I'm gonna go back over here real quick and I'm gonna show you how that works. Alright, so we're gonna go here, we're gonna go dashboard. No, we're not gonna go dashboard. I'm sorry, I'm gonna go back to the home screen. I wanna go here. So let's just say we go 27.50, probably be 29 because Monday will hit and I will do it Monday night after it hits. So 29. Let's just say 29.56. So I will be adding this amount to the amount that I'm already getting. All right. So think about this: 29.56. I'm gonna add 29.56. I'm gonna add $4 to my first initial deposit, and then that's how we do rolling contracts. But we'll get into that a little more here in the future. Okay. So, like I said, man, I just wanted to show you and give you a quick review. Remember, they're in the UK, so it's 11 o'clock already, 11 a.m. in the UK. It's just 7:02 here. All right. So, once again, man, this is my journey. This is day 4. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's day 4 of the journey because it officially kicked off Monday night. So, this is day 4. So, once again, in the description, I have resource tools that you can learn how to do your calculations. Also, there's a Coinbase link below if you want to join Coinbase and learn how to do cryptocurrency, because inside of Coinbase, they do have lessons that you can learn. And then if you want to join the winning team and, just follow the journey and learn how to do it and get your own money, we got this right here. All right. Once again, man, it's your boy Tony with Tony's Passive Income. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. If not, you know what it is. It is what it is. All right? I'm going to holler at y'all, man. Peace.